Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about some conversation with a scientist. So let's get started. Thank you so very much for accepting our invitation. Sir, may I ask you, which is the field of your research, sir? I'm doing research in agriculture. Oh, I see. You're an agricultural scientist. Mind if I ask you, in what particular area of agriculture are you working in? I have been working on cotton seeds for the last many years. Don't you think that cotton yarn is not popular these days, sir? Cotton will never become unpopular, but cotton clothes are not so showy, sir. Broadly speaking, these cotton clothes have their own advantages. May I ask you, can we produce Egyptian cotton, sir? Why not? We can produce Egyptian cotton. Are you taking help from foreign scientists, sir? Yes, I do. They just guide us sometimes. What type of seeds do you want to have, sir? Seeds which will give better yield and finer cotton. Thank you, sir, for joining us. We are so inspired from your valuable lecture and tips as well. Thank you for your invitation. Bye then. Bye. So let's move to the second phase of conversation. Conversation between husband and wife in a train. We have just caught the train. Now we should get on the train. Make haste. Oh, what a rush! And what a noise, too. Even a fish market isn't so noisy. I can't stand the nasty smell of cigarettes. There is no room even on any berth. There is a little standing room only. Why have you trampled on my toe? You might stand erect. Sorry, but don't you see I'm being pulled and pushed? Look, boy, don't spit over here. Why haven't I paid the fare? Yes, you have, but have you bought this place to spit on? I'm sorry, sir. Ticket, please. Can I see your ticket, please? Show the ticket. What ticket? Ticket are with you, aren't they? They must be in the purse. No, they can be in the purse. Have you searched your pocketbook? Yes, I have. Then the tickets must be in your trousers pocket. Yes, here they are. Oh, you always forget. Your pocket is a sort of museum. My purse is gone. Now, let's pull the chain to stop the train. Now, I will never travel in second class. It's nothing short of a hell. Me too. Get off the train now. So let's move to the third conversation with a girl on the birthday. Good evening, uncle. How happy I am to see you. Good evening, baby. I wish you a long and happy life. Many happy returns of the day. May you have many, many more ahead. Thank you very much for your blessing. It's my birthday today, and you are invited to cut the cake with me to make this occasion a special one. Okay, here is a humble present for you, baby. It's just a token of my love and affection. Many, many thanks for the gift, uncle. But what does, uncle, this packet contain? This is a CD player. It's hi-fi set. I know you have an ear for music. It will, I believe, refine your taste for music. What a nice and costly gift. I will cherish it for a long, long time. Thank you so very much, uncle. And what a sweet little girl you are. Thank you for your presence, uncle. Thanks for inviting me on this auspicious occasion, baby. Bye, uncle. Bye.